Hello, this is Ashraf from Mr. Ashraf Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to apply Array Modifier in Blender 2.8. Okay, so to do that, it's easy. Okay, first you have to have your objects. Okay, and let's say, and then you have to select your object, and then go to Modifier Properties, okay, and select modifier, add modifier, and array. Okay, by default, the fit type is fixed count. Okay, so fixed count means we can enter any numbers that you want. Okay, so let's say I want to have 5 of Susan, so I just fixed count, the count number is 5. Okay, so then you will have 5 Susans being copied. Okay, you doesn't have to go for copy and paste or duplicate shift D every time you want to have more than one objects that have similar size, similar shapes. Okay, so relative offsets means this number 1 unit. Okay, this is means 1 unit. Okay, so it's the distance between each of the objects. Okay, so 1 unit means this is the gap. So gap is 1 unit. Let's say I increase the numbers to, let's say, 2 units, 2. So it will be quite far from each other. So let's say 1.1. Okay, alright. So this is 1.1 units distance or gap between these two Suzanne. Okay, but this is on x-axis. You can change this to y-axis. Alright, so this is y-axis. This is z-axis. 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 Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's do some exercise. I'm going to create a wooden palette. Okay. Shift A, mesh. I'm going to choose this cube. Okay, the default cube. I'm going to scale on z-axis, z-axis, fz, and again scale on y-axis, s1 to make it longer. Okay. Alright. So I want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 woods on the top. So modifier, array, fixed count, with 5, and because the relative offset is 1 unit, so let's say 1.1 unit. I think 2 is okay. Okay, right. Then have another mesh cube. Okay, this one is not. Maybe this one, this shape. Three. So let's see. Array. On y-axis. 0. Let's make 3. 3. 5, 7, 4, 7, 4, 8, and 4 on 5. Okay, cool. So it's there. And then I have to apply this one first, and then add another modifier array. So 0, that's a 2, and that is this. So, -3. So negative because it's going down. -3 plus 5. -3.3. -3.25. So maybe we can adjust. Alright. Okay, so now we have wooden pellets. A wooden pellet. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, this is how you can apply array in your modeling. See you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.